Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Oppo Reno5 5G series will come with a trio of chipset from Qualcomm and MediaTek. We have been seeing a detail about the upcoming Oppo Reno5 5G series for a while now. We know there is a non-pro Reno5 5G as well as a pro version powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chipset. As you can see on your screen, this is the latest Oppo Reno5 5G Tina listing, and it shows some of the front, back and side images. Now we will know Chinese blogger Digital Chat Station confirm we will see version of the Reno5 5G series with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and 765G chipset as well as a MediaTek Dimensity 1000. It remains to be seen what model will get which chipset. The new leak also confirm all three phones will come with a punch hole display and unspecified high refresh rate. The Pro model will also pack a curved panel. As you can see, this is latest post about the Digital Chat Station. He says the new Oppo Reno 5 series has been connected to the network and all models are equipped with a 65-watt flash charging as standard. I remember engineering machine has their single hole screen straight covered single hole high brush screen. So this is the latest Digital Chat Station post. It's machine translated from Chinese to English. We've already known a Reno 5 5G series will pack a 65-watt fast charging. The Reno 5 5G was sported in a Tina, which revealed a 6.43-inch OLED display alongside 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide module and 2 megapixel camera. So backside 4 cameras. The battery is rated 4300 mAh, while the software front will be covered by new Android 11 out of the box. The Reno 5 5G series is speculated to launch between December and January in China. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Reno 5 5G. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the Reno 5 smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.